Yeah, people, this day in Reggae Vibes news. And I not normal. Cartel. Oh my word, brother. Yeah, people. The link up, the gang is back. Yeah, this is what Stefan have to say about heartbreak. Jaja, Stalk Ashley, that go on. You don't know sing already. And them man you make you know shit. Be positive. Yeah, people, hold on no man, hold on no. Hold on no man, give me a ears over here, so. Many more, that one yeah, I create a wave bad boy right now, I surf that wave every day in you. You hear that? You see me I say? Cause that song yeah, me have to sing it for my baby too. Baby, it's you. Yeah man, right there, so. People, go check out that song, yeah. Many more. Oh my word, man. Surf the wave with him. You hear that? Christmas has come. You know where I am, man.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people don't need to say, boy, Grizzly beer facts, beer fun, beer things, most people, beer facts. Watch ya now. So Vibes Cartel, you don't know. Vibes Cartel are the artists right now, for them drop from incarceration and they in the streets and around the ground. You see me, I say all over the place. So right now, some fest boss, man, them a run over that place there. It's like, them come to that acknowledgement within self and say, yo, this man need for the pan the wall of fame. You see me I say? So as I can see, cartel is being added to the wall of fame. Yeah, where some first keep down at that place there. Yeah man, them a sit to it say the artist portrait paint properly, properly painted and properly illustrated on the walls of the premises. You see it? And these things are good things, a good look. You know, say I've been putting the work over the years. Remember, you know, Fever, the album there, hit. And from incarceration, it go on. So, the work has been done, and put in the energy, and it pay off. So, me I say, so right there, so, yeah, man, right out a big venue right there, so, yeah, with the big sunfest skit. So yeah, people them say unity is strength, you know. You can't go around unity. You see me I say? Because we're one and two is gather, you don't know it's a multitude of people, it's a force. So right so the world boss link up with Lisa Hyper. You know what I say? So the old gang is back. Yeah, I can say the old gang is back, people. You know what I mean? Link up, you can see she goes a boom and link him on a gym on one part on one place, then them go have a drink on one part. You know what I mean? And it good when they can sit down and say, yeah, the person did help me on the journey. You know, any farmer, bad energies one did have on them something down, you can look over it because when you get older, you see me I say, they become more wiser adults. You know, and then you can move forward from these things. I just know, say, here one our growth we are deal with, you know, and a betterment we are deal with, is it? Yeah, and I right, they say it. So, you know what I mean? I DJ Palmer take the time out and say, here, I'm have to link up that girl there. So, them link up, them whole of vibes, them flex, dance, chat, drink. Is it? Yeah, man. It's a good vibration when you can link up or you can quash down certain energies and all quality, heartfelt reasoning and spend time. Yeah, man. So, Lisa Hyper, big up yourself, you hear that? Yeah, people don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear. And for the first time I hear the voice, it would be nice if you could subscribe to the DRV. Yeah, man. Dancehall Reggae Vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. For the latest updates, them and notification. Boom. Just hit the DRV bell.
What did you learn from your last heartbreak?
To like express yourself a bit more, express your feelings, express your concerns.
What made you realise them things?
By having that conversation again and then realizing that the person just misunderstood a lot of things. That's the hardest, like one of the hardest things. It's so hard. I say try to keep busy and just know that it will get better. I feel like I just need to, take it easy, reflect and acknowledge how amazing I'm doing.
So, this is Steph London. I share some, you know what I mean, lessons from the experience of heartbreak. You know what I mean? And heartbreak can come in a whole heap of forms. Not necessarily a relationship, but it can be socialship, it can be family. Because you have a grandmother, you have a mother where you lost. You see me, I say through death or sickness. You see me, you have a friend where you lost you accident or, you know what I mean, incidents. You see what I say? So there's so many elements that you can look at that will affect you and break your heart. So fear words them to the people if you experience anything like this. You know what I mean? Just take it easy. You see me I say? Take it easy and make every moment count because remember life is a gift, And if life is a gift, it's a present. So you have to live in your present. So don't live in your past. Don't anxiously want to force the future or I look too forward ahead. You know what I mean? Staying at the present, which is now. Pull a gift there. Love life now. We have health strength now. Do what you have to now. You know what I mean? Yes, so step plan and make it know straightforward. So, see, in this life, things will do happen. But get up, dust off, and move on. You hear me talk.
There's this one particular experience I've been through where somebody basically come up to me as like, Avi, like, I really have it all together type shit. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, man, I got you.
Yeah.
Come to find out, they were taking loans.
Yeah, people, I want to know, man. So Stalk Ashley make you know, say, him never stalk her, but him did that take out a loan. Yeah. Who does that, though? You know what I mean? I kind of know say people have them priorities and them type of something there, but what a point to prove or an extent to go to prove a point. Is what I say. If you check for the girl, you check for the girl, you care for the girl, you care for the girl. If it's a real girl, you can be real with her. You don't have to be fake because to me, all of that fake. All of that's a facade. When you can't get no more loan, when you can't take no more money, how it a go? You know what I mean? How you gotta look to the individual where you try impress to believe the facade that you have all of this cabbage and you know what I mean, I can shred it down and make sure it's a life alright with you both. And that's so. You know what I mean? That not look good at all. You see me? The stalker make you know say it's not a stalker, Him just approach, big talk, and say, alright, me could try the thing and down the line, you don't know smart girl, you can't use your head for smart girl. So she said she thought about it and realized there was something wrong with the whole scenario. You see what I say? Push come to shove, yeah, why I take out loan. You know what I mean? It's not a good thing, you know what I mean? So she a make you know say boy, you have to just wise, you see me? You know what I mean? Wise. You see it?
Listen up. Big up all the real people that keep going. Sometimes you have a lot of challenges in life. Sometimes school is a challenge. Sometimes work is a challenge. Sometimes family can even be a challenge. Life is full of challenges. Yeah? But with problems we become powerful. So big up all the people and will never quit and keep on going. You drop down, get up back. The bounce, let's bounce it off. Because it's not about how much time you drop, it's about how much time you get up. Keep on going. Never give up.
Yeah, people, sing it. The one and only. Taros Riley, I make you know, say, listen. The amount of time you drop and I hit, and the amount of time when I get up. Who agree? Who agree? If you agree with me, see comment section there right there. So, because more time you have some people drop one time and them give up. You have some people never drop and them give up. Sound ironic, but that's true. You know what I mean? Some people mental state not strong enough we can pull through. Them want to pretend. Some people behave like or act like the mental state is off. But it's not. You see me I say? Them go on like, them talk like, them behave like, you know? So Taurus I make you know straightforward. Say listen, be positive in yourself. No matter what happen, no matter what go on, mind over matter. No matter what she do, no matter what him do, no matter what she say, no matter what him say. You know, I just flow go through and just be positive in your life because life is the only thing you have. And with life, you can change everything. You can make things better. Also worse, but nobody no want a worse. Everybody want better for themselves, so just keep going. You hear me? I tell you, from DRV, yeah man, just keep going no matter what. You hear that? Mind over matter with the youth them proper. Quick.
There's not another country in the world that has people as confident as Jamaicans.
And if you never know this, no, you know. So, if you're Jamaican, buckle up your shoes. Yeah? And I bother with the foolishness that talk about, oh, nothing nah, go on, and this and that and Ray. The confidence was born in you. It was born within you. Yeah? It there in your blood. It in your bone. It come like when time and stew down chicken and it's seasoned. It's seasoning in you.
With Jamaican people, when they go into a room, whether this is a doctor's office, a supermarket, a mall, they act like they own this shit.
But you're born Jamaican, you got this. You see me and say, you got this. Remember, you know, these are people across the world who acknowledge our island, our people, our natives. And say, listen, no matter what them do, what them say, what them try, these set of people have a way. Oh, for dominate. Step in a room, it's like the whole room our one. Step in a wholesale, our wholesale. At the supermarket too. Car mark, come on, give it the whole car, everything. You know what I mean? That's the level of confidence that Jamaican have. And more time, why people look on it and laugh, because they must say, boy, that Jamaican, they have, that nah, have nothing in it. Nah, have half of what me have, but them happy. And with the mindset there and perseverance, he or she is likely to acquire the things that I have, or even better too, with that behavior. Zin. So, across the world, across all diasporas, in the nations, them, Jamaica stand out. So, for your reach, just chat patwa. But I hold on nothing. You hear me, I tell you. Yeah, man, be yourself. Be yourself. Don't be twanging and be speaky spokey and blah, 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 blah. Nah. Yeah, man, rap patwa, man, because them love Jamaica, you see? And the fact that you're Jamaican. Yeah, people, hold on, no, man, hold on, no. Hold on, no, man, give me a ears over here, so. Many more, that one, yeah, I create a wave bad boy right now, I surf that wave every day, now, you. You hear that? You see me, I say, cause that song, yeah, me have to sing it for my baby, too. Baby, it's you. Yeah, man, right there, so. People, go check out that song, yeah. Many more. Oh, my word, man, surf the wave with him. You hear that? Christmas has come. You know what I mean?